Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find the security code on your debit card. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, take your debit card and look at the front of the card. Most debit cards will have the card number, expiration date, and your name printed on the front. Now turn the card over to the back side. In most cases, the security code is located on the signature strip on the back of the debit card. Next to the signature area, you will usually see a 3-digit number. This 3-digit number is the security code for your debit card. On many cards, it may also be labeled as CVV, CVC, or security code depending on the card issuer. For most Visa and MasterCard debit cards, the security code is always 3 digits long. Sometimes the numbers may appear upside down or in a slightly different position, but they are usually located near the signature strip. Some debit cards may place the security code on the front of the card instead of the back, although this is less common. If you do not see it on the back, carefully check the front of the card for a 3-digit security code. That's it. That is how you can find the security code on your debit card. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.